Hey guys, this is Darren with EastsideSportsCards.com. Today we're going to be doing another box of 04 Just Minors Just Rookies. The last box had a Dustin Pedroia auto come out of it. So let's go ahead and see what we got out of this box. And the next box looks like still haven't filled any spots in the football break. So let's go ahead and just crack this down if we can. As you can tell, empty box. And here's your pack. This stuff's got 18 packs, two autos a box. The last two boxes we have cracked have been decent stuff, decent autographs. So let's go ahead and see what we got out of this stuff today. So. And hope you enjoy that free auto there, Steven. I know free stuff's always good, so thanks for joining tonight. Still have the auto in here. We haven't hit that yet. Nice, affordable product. You know, these guys now are either still in the minors or they're actually in the majors, and they've actually proven themselves. So that's kind of why I like. Oh, there's our first autograph. So there's our first autograph. We still have a box left of this to open. I got some loose packs laying around, but for the most part, Jonathan Papelbon. Very nice looking stuff. Another Jonathan Papelbon. So we got one autograph left in this guy. So hopefully it's somebody smoking good here. Looks like we're going to be saving the best for last. I haven't seen anybody buy in. Looks like the last autograph is Mark Rogers. Kyle Obono. When ordering into our breaks, please use, if you're doing box, please use box break 01. If you're doing case, please do in case break 01. Lets us know exactly what's going on. Please make sure in the memo you have, we have your address, and we also have the teams that you do want if they are a team purchase break. If they're randoms, we just do randoms during the break. So thanks for showing and supporting us here at Breakers TV. All right, here, guys. There's that. Houston Street looks like it's the last pack. So alright guys, that wraps that break up, and thanks for watching that break. Since we've done that break, I kind of want to throw another free card out, just because you're doing so well tonight. We're doing so well. Let's go ahead and grab let's go ahead and do this really quick, guys. I'll give this one out. Looks like I find out how many people are in this room here. You guys up for getting this free? It is numbered. Let me know. Yes or no? Yes or no? Let me see. Let me hear you. All right, man. So I need to know in 5, 4, 3. I haven't heard anybody. All right, I'll go to the next round then. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching this break on with EastsideSportsCards.com on Breakers TV. Go ahead and get into our breaks. Use our discount code. We look forward to seeing you. Thanks, guys.